So let's talk about the tenant then. So let's say that the tenant goes ahead and get their own their own insurance, right?
Yes.
And let's say that the house burns down and they have things that are worth a lot of money. Let's say they have a massive TV that, it's worth, let's say $3,000-$4,000. They have tons of jewelry that's worth, let's say, maybe $20,000, $30,000, $50,000. What happens then? Do you guys also cover for their jewelry, or that's also something separate?
That's amazing question, Rosa, because a lot of the policies have like a limit of jewelries or furs or silverware or arts, like, right? So it covers like maybe up to 1,500 or 2,500. But if you have more than that, you should have like a jewelry policy or a personal articles policy. That's what it's called sometimes, to protect that. And there's no deductible, and they could replace it, or they could buy you something very similar. They will replace whatever you have. So that's like separate. But
so there's two insurance in what you're saying. So get one. So the one insurance for the house is if it does burn down or something happens, let's say somebody steals there and you can't go back there, then it's really to cover for your stay somewhere else, right?
The renters.
The renters.
The tenants?
Renters, yeah, for the tenants.
Yes, and it covers their personal property too, like your TV, your mattress, your couch, whatever, like your tables, whatever.
For the jewelry then?
No, because if it's more than a certain amount, let's say you have like a very expensive piece, like a $5,000 piece, it won't cover that because there's limits. Like there's up to a certain amount that would cover. It will cover you for up to like maybe 1,500 or 2,500, which is like standard in the renter's policy. So